Welcome back, friends. Welcome back, friends, to another day of calendar math. So, let's look over at our calendar board and try to figure out what yesterday was to help us learn about today. So, look over at your board and what was yesterday? This is yesterday. What day was yesterday? That's right, it was Monday. Yesterday was Monday. So let's read all about yesterday. Yesterday was Monday, April 20th, 2020. Remember, this is the number 20, 10 and 10. So it is the 20th. Very good. Now that we know all about yesterday, let's talk about today. We know that yesterday was Monday. What comes after Monday? Yes, it's Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. Yesterday was the number 20. What comes after 20? 21. That's right, the number 21. How do I write the number 21? With a 2 and a 1? Let's see if you're correct. Let's use our money calendar to check our work. I'm going to add another penny because a penny's worth 1 and it's been one more day since yesterday. So I add a penny. Now, when I look at my money calendar, it has broken that number down. It's decomposed it. So I have one row of 10, 2 rows of 10, and 1 left over. So 10 and 10 and 1. 1 row, 2 rows. That's why I use a 2. Now I have 1 left over. So I will use a 2 and a 1. Very good. So I have to change that to a 2 and a 1 to show 2 groups of 10. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, and 1 left over. So you are right. We use a 2 and a 1 to write the number 21. Now yesterday was a yellow, what's that shape called with 6 sides? Yes, it's a hexagon. So look at your pattern and tell me what comes after the hexagon. Yes, it's a green triangle. Now remember, we're turning those shapes. So the last time I had a green triangle was here. I'm going to turn it. That is what our shape should look like today with the number 21. So I'm going to put it up here, and that's exactly what our shape looks like with the number 21 on it. So now we are all ready to read about today. Are you ready? Let's go. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020. So today is Tuesday, April 21st. Good job. It is another day of school in April, so we need to add a tally mark. So look over at your chart. This is how many we have gone to school in April. And it's 9 days. We need to add 1 more tally mark. What does that tally mark look like since I'm going to add 1 more? Yes, we're going to lay it down. We're going to lay that tally mark number 5 down. So look at your chart and see how we laid the tally mark. Look at your chart and see how we laid that tally mark down. So now I have 5 and 5. And what does 5 and 5 make? Yes, 10. 5, 10. So we have gone to school 10 days in April. And you just made an addition statement. 5 and 5 make 10. Miss Thompson would be so proud of you. Now that tells us that we've been in school for 10 days in April. Let's see how many days we've gone to school this whole school year. I'm going to add a straw into which place value? Yes, we always start with the ones. There are 6 ones in there, so there's plenty of room for another one. So I'm going to add one more straw. Since I've added one more, what is one more than 6? Yes, it's 7. So I'm going to change the 6 to a 7. Since these straws are in the ones place, what will I count by? Of course, by ones. So let's count these straws by ones. You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 in the ones place. Let's move next door to the, you got it, the tens place. Now, how many groups of tens do I have? Look at your number, and it says number 5. So I have 5 groups of 10. Now I need to see how much these 5 groups of 10 are worth. What is their value? So since it's in the tens place, what will I count by? Yes, by tens. So count with me by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that 5 means 50. Yes. Move next door to the hundreds place. And I have one group of 100. So how many is this worth? 100. So when I read my number, it is 157. We have gone to school 157 days. Now we took that number 157 and we broke it down into 7 ones, 5 groups of 10, and 1 group of 100. What is that called when we're breaking down our number? Of course, it's called decomposing. Nice job. 157 days. Wow. Okay. Now we're going to look at our weather. So look over at your weather. Tell me what you think. What kind of day is it outside? It is a beautiful day. I see the sky, and it's a little windy, but it is a beautiful blue sky. So we have a sunny day. So let's look at our bar graph and color one more day sunny.